If you ever come across someone who doesn't like crunchy fried food, you can feed them these and convert them into someone who loves it. Today we are making crunchy fried mushrooms. Let's get started. This is a super simple recipe. Let's start by preparing the batter. Let's start with maida. This is 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour. I'm adding salt to taste, pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning. This is a ready mix of oregano, basil, thyme, salt, pepper, dehydrated garlic and onion. It smells really good and it's going to add a lot of flavor to your fried mushrooms. Let's give this a whisk. I've added approximately half a cup of water. And I'm going to add in a little bit of water at a time to turn this into a batter. And this seems like the perfect consistency. I have some button mushrooms right here. I've washed them completely and I've let them dry on a paper towel. Make sure you don't soak the mushrooms so that they don't absorb any water. Let's start with our super simple process. I'm going to add 5 mushrooms to our wet batter, toss it around, and then add it to our breadcrumb mixture. Give this a good toss. And I'm going to repeat the process once again to make a thick coating. And then it goes into the breadcrumbs for the second time. A thick coating will ensure a lot of crunchiness. Toss it around. Rub it between your hands for a bit just to ensure that the breadcrumbs are stuck completely, and then add it to some hot oil. Remove them from the oil once they are golden brown. Let's make some more. Crunchy fried mushrooms make for a great appetizer. Do try them out and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.